If you're experiencing issues with connecting to the Elden Ring update, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Elden Ring website or social media channels to check if the game servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your console or PC. Completely power off your gaming console or PC and then turn it back on. This can help refresh your system and resolve any temporary connectivity issues. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 4. Update your game. Make sure that your game is fully updated. Go to your game library, select Elden Ring, and check for any available updates. Download and install any updates that are pending. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Elden Ring. This can help resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection issues with the Elden Ring update. If problems continue, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.